Guys, reguluhan natin si Rob. Ay, may binili pala ako para sa kanya. Actually, nakalimutan ko na. Tapos nakalimutan ko, binuksan ko na siya. Kaloka. Ayan, bigay natin sa kanya, guys. Alam niya na to actually kasi alam niya. I have something for you.
Just thought about that. Thank you.
Actually, I don't know what I ordered.
I do.
And then I opened it.
Oh, Shopee. Yeah.
Yay!
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, you wanna open it? That's his favorite. Kasi nagpang-Muay Thai siya. Let's see what's inside.
Nice
Ayan.
bag.
It's a bag.
There you go.
Nice.
Thank you very
Can you
much.
see? Ooh. Nice. That's big.
Hmm.
So you have bag for your Muay Thai training. Fairtex Fighter.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Ooh. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright. You're welcome. Enjoy.
But I was going to put my shins in.
Shoes, everything. You can put it
Shins.
all. Huh?
Shins.
Ah, your shins. Yeah, okay. Shoes, I think that's the use for it.
Should be okay, shouldn't it?
Yeah. Everything you can fit it on inside.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice! Ayan guys, yung bigay ko kay Rob, nagmumuay Thai po kasi siya. So, ito. Ayan o. Ang ganda. Ayan. Nagmumuay Thai kasi siya guys. Gusto niya daw to. Ang dami niya kasing binili kaya ako naman bumili para sa kanya. Ayan, ganda. Diba? So, ayan. Simple lang siya guys. Di naman mamahalin. Pero masaya na siya dyan. Kaya, yun lang. Share ko lang. Thank you for watching.